Presenting Fire-Boltt 360 Pro Smartwatch. It comes in 6 color variants of Black, Black Pro, Gold, Gold Pro, Grey and Silver. The HD color screen, full capacitive touch, supporting taps and swipes gives you a smooth performance. It has a 1.32 inches screen. The watch can work for 10 hours with Bluetooth calling and 10 days without Bluetooth calling. The watch can monitor your temperature. It comes with real-time 24/7 SpO2 or blood oxygen tracking and dynamic heart rate monitoring. The watch allows you to connect your earpods and enjoy listening to music with this cross-connection. Store your favorite music in the watch as local music. Play favorite music on the watch with the inbuilt speaker. You can enjoy 8 sports modes, monitor your sleeping cycles smoothly and accurately, rolling UI and dual button tech. Inside the box, you will find one smartwatch, one manual, one magnetic charger, and one warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.